Steal the exact tools we've used to make millions. No monthly fees. This offer will expire, and this page will be deleted in. Get started now. Hey guys, Brett here, and I have been working full-time online since 2014, and in that time I have been blessed to be able to make over 130,000 online sales and to generate over $5 million. I have also seen thousands of people buy hundreds of products over and over, hoping that this next purchase will finally be the one that makes them a success as well. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Of course, IT never is though. Why? Because products always leave something out. They are never a complete solution. You get a single software that does one thing, but have to buy other software in addition to it. You get a software, but not training on how to actually make money with it. You get training, only to find out that you need to buy a bunch of tools to utilize it. Something is always missing. So I teamed up with my business partner Mike from Maine, and we created a system that includes all the training and all the software in one complete package. And I'm going to tell you all about it in a second, but first I want to show you some of the amazing results that are possible. I could go on and on, but I'm not here to brag. I think you get the point. I have been very successful. Why have I done so well? Because I know things that other people do not. I know how to build an email list, how to get traffic, how to drive affiliate sales, how to get people to make purchases from me directly, and through me as an affiliate. And I have software tools that make doing these things fast and easy. Over and over I see people buying product after product that never gives them the entire solution. Because of this, they get stuck in a never-ending cycle of spending money instead of making money. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. So I created a complete system that teaches every aspect of my online business, step by step, with nothing left out. How to build an email list for free. How to do product reviews. Product creation and launching. Affiliate marketing. Using Facebook for free traffic. Launch jacking. And so much more. That also includes 10 of the software tools that I personally created for my own business. Affiliate Tracks, the software I created to build my email list by selling other people's products. Get paid to build your list. Memberskit, a easy-to-use, drag-and-drop membership site system. Vidiz, the video hosting platform designed by a top marketer for marketers. Let's Mail, my self-hosted autoresponder software. Send unlimited emails, with no monthly fee. Realim Reviews, the system I designed to let anyone easily follow my product review training and make affiliate commissions without even needing a website. My digital shop, easily build an online store to sell digital products. Changeo, allows you to edit any website, even sites you do not own. Webinaro, my complete automated webinar platform. ImageMaker 2, the online graphics program I use to make logos, social images and more. Bonus Builder, this cloud-based page builder is designed specifically for affiliate marketing. With it you can create bonus pages for your promotions in under 60 seconds. You can buy each of the software and training included with everything you need individually for a total price of, or you can get it all, as a complete package, for a one-time discounted price, with no autos or upsells. Until the timer below expires. Everything you need. The everything you need, 14-day guarantee. If you are not 100% happy with your purchase, just send us a support ticket within 14 days of your purchase date for a full refund. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast, 2 to 4 weeks maximum.